bronzer. It is in the shade Gobi. This is how I do my makeup. Elf eyeshadow, bite size eyeshadow palette. Blushing right now. Yes, the best lip balm ever. If my eyelashes more curled up, net, hair net. I'm going to use this extension. It's a braid extension. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Samreen Sheikh. Hope you all are doing well. So in this video I am going to share my makeup routine with you, my office makeup routine, my cabin crew makeup routine with you. So if you are interested watching that, please continue watching it. Okay, so let's get started. फटाफट से सब चीज़ करते हैं, ठीक है? So I already did my skincare, and if you want to know what skincare I do, my skincare routine, I'm going to put it in my description box. Please go ahead and check out. Okay, let's get started with the makeup routine. And also please ignore my hair. मैंने कल ही hair wash किया है and it's very frizzy. Okay, so let's put this back so that the canvas will be all visible. So I applied my sunscreen already. Now I'm going to go with my primer. So मैं एकदम ज़्यादा expensive products नहीं use करती हूँ. What I feel, you know, it's the technique which is most important, like how you use your makeup product. Technique is very important. So yeah, I use this inside. It's very dirty, I'm so sorry. This is from Inside. It is the Pore Minimizer Primer. This one. Okay, I'm going to apply that. I take this much pea-size amount, and then I'm going to apply जहाँ हमारे pores होते हैं वहाँ पर, little bit on the under eye, and here, basically on my T-zone area, because I have a combination oily skin. So yeah. Okay, so this is done. I have an acne mark over here. Acne चले गया, बस mark छोड़ के चले गया. Okay, this is done. So the next step is I'm going to apply color corrector. So for that I use this palette. This is by the Krylon. It's the Camouflage Creme Dermacolor palette, and I used to have a lot of dark circles before, but अभी थोड़ा कम हो चुका है, but still, you know, पूरी तरीके से नहीं जा रहा है because of my sleep schedule, obviously. So for that I use this palette. I'm going to use this orange color corrector. It is in the shade D30. I am going to color correct on my under eye with my fingers only. Wherever I am having my hyperpigmentation, darkness, इससे क्या होता है कि आप इसके ऊपर जो आपकी स्किन शेड का फाउंडेशन या कंसीलर लगाओगे तो वो ग्रेनेस, ग्रे जो इफेक्ट आता है ना, वो नहीं आएगा. इवन लगेगा स्किन आपका. Little bit over here, not too much, little bit. It's done. Up next, abhi I am going to apply. I used to apply foundation and stuff, but now बहुत ज़्यादा heavy हो जाता है, you know, and every single day I am wearing makeup, so I don't want that heavy base. So what I using right now, what I'm using right now, it's this BB cream. It's by the brand called Mars. I mean, this brand, it's really nice. It's very affordable. Plus, the quality which they are providing, it's like a high-end brand. So, ये भी मैं ज़्यादा नहीं लेती हूँ, just pea size amount. Okay, I'm going to dot it around my mouth area. Here on my forehead. So yeah, ऐसा. And now I am going to take my brush. This brush I'm using, this is the stippling brush. Okay, to stipple my foundation. Okay, it's a stippling brush. I'm going to blend it in circular motion. I'm now going to apply it under my eyes. Oh, I forgot to tell you the shade name of this BB cream. This is in the shade 05 Biscuit. Please focus, baby. Yeah, 05 Biscuit. This one I use. I'm going to take this little down. Don't worry, थोड़ा white लग रहा है आपको, but ये oxidize हो जाएगा थोड़ा. Oxidize means one shade थोड़ा lighter, darker हो जाएगा. And I'm going to apply bronzer and stuff, so take your time, don't worry. Now I'm looking ghost. So next I'm going to take this palette again, and इसमें जो it has lot of shades. If you can see, ये मैंने use किया था मेरे color corrector के लिए, और ये most darker shade है. I mean इसका placement मैंने अलग तरीके से किया है. I'm going to tell you the shade name. So what I mix basically this three shade together. This is the darker shade, this is थोड़ा सा light shade for my skin tone, and ये थोड़ा yellow undertone का है. So what I do, I mix it. The darker shade जो था वो DJ2 था, DJ2, and ये थोड़ा जो lighter shade है वो है D4.5, and थोड़ा yellow undertone का है वो है D64. Basically take this and I'm going to take it on my hand a little bit. Then I'm going to place it here, and then the darker shade also here. Okay, first मैं ये दो shade लूँगी. Same I'm going to do it on my other under eye, and the darker shade. थोड़ा eyelid के ऊपर. That's it. I'm going to basically focus on this area. Oh my god, I'm looking so weird. Okay, so now I am going to take this brush. This is the concealer brush. So the brush which I am using, ये है brand Bailey. It comes with a lot of brushes, like around 20 brushes, 20 or something, 12 brushes, 20 brushes. So it's really nice quality brush. Okay, I'm going to take this brush, I'm going to blend it. You see how easily it is blending. I'm going to take it a little bit down on my nose and blend my eyelid also. The face which I'm making, I'm so sorry. See, dark circles who? Where is my dark circles? Okay, so this is how I do it, but I want to take a little step ahead. I take this lighter shade too, just a little bit. I'm going to mix it with the darker shade also, and I'm going to थोड़ा सा highlight it a little bit. So ये जो है ना, ये थोड़ा matte होता है. इसमें supra भी आता है, supra color, but that is for the dry skin people. It's very creamy. This is also creamy, but not that creamy. It gives you that matte effect. The rest of the product which is on my brush, I'm going to apply it. थोड़ा सा, I'm going to take it and apply it here. Gayab. Okay, this is how I blend it. Now what I'm going to do, I am going to take my banana powder and this puff, I'm going to first blend this. मुझे कोई भी creases नहीं चाहिए. I'm going to apply this under my eye, like so. And press it down. Press it down. I'm not going to do baking. I'm going to press it down. And then rest I'm going to apply it on my T-zone. Done. So my base is done. If you can see, my base is done. Now, what I am going to do, I'm going to bronze my face. जो इतना अभी ये white लग रहा है, इसको हम थोड़ा सा sculpt करेंगे. पूरा face एकदम flat लग रहा है इस वजह से. To show you again, this is the baking powder I use. This is by the Insight HD Finishing Loose Banana Powder. It is in the shade Lemon Light. Now the bronzer which I use this bronzer. This is by Makeup Revolution bronzer. It is in the shade Gobi. Yeah, it is in the shade Gobi. So for that, which brush I will use? I will use my contour brush. It is little angular, if you can see. Okay, I'm going to take a like this. I'm going to sculpt it. It's too much. I'm going to blend it. In camera में इतना नहीं दिख रहा है, but in real life अच्छा खासा sculpt हो चुका है. ठीक है. Next थोड़ा सा hairline में जो मैं definition आ गया स्किन पे. Okay. This is done. Now I am going to take this again with my finger. I'm going to make a line both side on the bridge of my, the bridge के जो side में होते हैं उसमें, and leave it here. And then I'm going to blend it with my fingers only. Here. Okay. So basically मैं bronze नहीं कर रही हूँ, मैं साथ में contour भी कर रही हूँ with a bronzer. This is done. Now I am going to go with my eyeshadow. Please don't laugh. I literally almost hit the pan because every single day I'm using. So yeah, every single day I'm using. So this is also from the brand called Mars, and they have discontinued this particular eyeshadow palette, and I'm so sad because the color story over here, it's really, it has some peach, it has brown, it has dark brown, some shimmer, and this black. This is in the shade Smoke It Up, and I'm going to create a smoky eye look only. So I have two look. Okay, what I do basically, so एक जो है एकदम bold with the dark brown and with the black pencil and stuff. But now अभी दिन का टाइम है, but शाम हो जाएगा. But I don't want to do that. वो ज़्यादा एकदम वो होता है. But if you want that look, I am going to create it for you. But today मैं जो करूँगी my signature, that small brown wing eyeliner के साथ में जो मैं करती हूँ, I'm going to show you that. It's very easy. Okay. So I'm going to take this shade. It doesn't have any name here. So this is the थोड़ा darker. This is the lighter brown. Okay. This is the way darker one. So this I'm going to take this one. This is the blending brush basically. Blending brush. I'm going to take this one, a little bit this one. I'm going to put it in my crease like this. Nice circular motion and then a little bit of swing motion. See? This is how I am going to do it. I'm seeing over there because वहाँ पर mirror है. And then थोड़ा सा wing it करूँगी यहाँ से. You see? Now, same दूसरे eyelid पे भी. So this is done. Okay, this is done. Now ये थोड़ा जो darker वाला है ना, थोड़ा सा ये I'm going to take same brush में. I have different brush also, but ठीक है, यही वाला यूज़ करते हैं. And I'm going to apply it यहाँ पर. Okay. Same here. I am going to take this eyebrow pencil brush. I'm going to take this shade. I switch, I use this shade or else I use this shade. This is Elf eyeshadow bite size eyeshadow palette in the shade Cream and Sugar. So मैंने इसी में that pie pumpkin pie वाला भी लिया था, बट मैंने एक फ्लेवर में छोड़ दिया. सो वॉट उसमें कैसा कलर स्टोरी है, उसमें ऐसे वाले कलर स्टोरी जिसमें ब्राउन के टोन है. ये आई शेडो भी मिलना बंद हो गया है, तो व्हाट आई डू, मैंने उसका सेम ऑल्टरनेटिव ढूंढ लिया इसमें. सो बट वो मैंने घुमा दिया, तो यही यूज़ कर रही हूँ. तो हाँ, अगर आपको ऐसा आई शेडो पैलेट चाहिए तो आप ये दो कंसिडर कर सकते हो. इट्स रियली नाइस. सो हाँ, सो व्हाट आई वाज सेइंग कि मैं ये वाला शेड और वो वाला डार्कर शेड में स्विच करती रहती हूँ. सो I'm going to take it like that and create a wing. See? Here also, I have to be very concentrated. Oi! Okay, so I have to be a little concentrated. So I'm going to use the mirror. Yes, it's a Barbie mirror. Okay. So basically I'm going to create a one line over here, one line over here, and I'm going to connect this line. So ये ऐसा faded eyeliner लगता है और बहुत अच्छा लगता है. And on the other eye too. So this is how I did it. I'm going to connect this, like not connect this, I'm going to apply it here also, and basically over here. I'm going to do it in this eye too. So I did this. Now I'm going to take this black shade, same eyebrow, just little, I'll just dip it thoda sa. Okay. Now मैं सिर्फ ये नीचे ही लाइन में लगाऊंगी और थोड़ा सा blend करूंगी to give that smoky liner effect. You see? Now I'm going to clean this brush, and with this brush only I'm going to blend it. Done. Okay. अभी आई लुक ख़त्म नहीं हुआ है. अब मैं थोड़ा आईब्रो भी करूँगी यही ब्रश से. For eyebrow I use this shade only. I don't use pencil, I use eyeshadow. So this is done. My eyebrow is done. Not done basically. मैं इसमें I'll show you. वो भी लगाऊंगी. Basically the powder वाला thing is done. Okay. My eyebrow is not that even because मैं eyebrow अपना खुद बनाती हूँ. Because I don't trust that parlor वाले लोगों को because they make my eyebrow very thin, and yeah, I don't like that look. This is done. I'm going to take this angular brush again, and I'm going to take this white skin color shade, and I'm going to clean this area. I'm going to make it a little sharper. You see? And then I do. So I've got a lot of compliment, of my eye look, basically my makeup. Base में भी, मेरी crew से भी, they're like, your eye look, your makeup is looking very nice. So if my colleagues, if you're watching, this is how I do my eyeshadow and makeup. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to blend this whitey part with my fingers with the help of the brush. Okay, see, this is giving that cleaner effect. Now I'm going to apply blush. So I use two blush. I use this one. This is by the Lakme 925 in the shade Coral, I believe. Coral Punch, in the shade Coral Punch. And the second one I use this by the Mars, again Mars brand. I'm obsessed. I feel like, you know, most of the products are like half the product Mars ke hi hai. Because I don't know, the products are really amazing. You should try. This is in the shade, yeah, this is in the shade 12. Okay, this is orange blush and this is very pink blush. So what I do, I mix it together. I have a dusky skin, so मुझ पे pink blushes इतने अच्छे नहीं लगते. So मैं orange and pink से mix करके blush wear करती हूँ. Okay, so what I do, I take 3 I mean, you got it right. Stab करती हूँ 3 on the orange one, 3 on the pink one, and I apply it. So nose पे भी थोड़ा. This is done. Blush is done. I'm very blushing right now. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply highlighter. This is by Master Chrome highlighter, Maybelline. It is in the shade Molten Gold. I am going to use this fan brush. I'm going to apply it. Okay, and with my finger, I'm going to apply it on the tip of my nose and over here only, here in here. So highlighter placement are very important, and this will make your makeup look really nice. So where I place it, basically I'm going to show you that. And this basically enhance your features. And now I'm going to apply it in my inner corner. And a little bit on here. See, it gives that pop effect. For most of the people, they stop it from here only. But I tell you what I do. And this makes my eyeshadow looks very nice. So I take this kind of brush. This is little angular, if you see. And it's very fluffy too. Okay? I dip it in my highlighter, which is barely there. Okay? And I'm going to apply it basically here till here. Okay? Not too much, but a little bit of there, you know, थोड़ा वो ऐसा लगता है कि मेरा eye sculpt लगता है. So this is what I'm going to do. See, look at it. It gives that effect. यहाँ पर इतना नहीं है, but look at over here. It looks really nice. It looks good. And then I want more pop, so I use one more highlighter. This is a cream highlighter by Inside. It's in the shade Angelic Beauty 03. With my fingers only, I am going to put it over here a little bit, dab it, apply it. Oh, that's too much, I feel. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I am going to apply this pencil. This is in the shade Nude and it is also from Inside. I'm going to tight line it on my lower lash line. So yeah, see, it opens my eyes. So अगर आप ब्लैक लाइनर लगाते हो ना, आपका आईज स्मॉल लगता है. जब आप न्यूड लगाते हो ना, तो आपका आईज थोड़ा बिग लगता है. So that's the reason I apply this. So mascara, I use this one from Mars again. This is the Fabulous mascara. This is not waterproof, but it is water resistant. So रिमूव करने में बहुत इजीली हो जाता है. वाटरप्रूफ में यू नो आपका आईज, आपका लैश एकदम स्टिफ हो जाएगा एंड देन फिर आप रिमूव करोगे, इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू रिमूव इट. बट ये वाटर रेसिस्टेंस है तो ये इट विल गिव दैट होल्ड ऑल्सो एंड आराम से निकल जाता है विथ माइसेलर वाटर. सो व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू, आई एम गोइंग टू अप्लाई ऑन माय लोअर आई. नाउ जस्ट सी द डिफरेंस. ओके, सिर्फ एक आई लैशेज एंड मस्कारा से आई लुक कितना चेंज होता है. आई एम गोइंग टू अप्लाई ऑन माय लोअर लैश लाइन फर्स्ट. Here. Lower lash line is done. Now upper one. Look. Yes. It is looking very pretty, right? Now I am going to take this. I'm going to remove the excess. I'm going to apply it on my eyebrows. Very light-handed. Now my makeup is almost done. Now just lipstick is left. Before applying lipstick, I want to tell you the best lip balm ever. If you want to apply, if you're applying dry lip, I mean liquid lipstick, this is what you need. This is Boreline. And then apply. या पहले से प्रेप कर लो, मैं भूल गई लगाना. अगर आप भूल भी गए बट आप ऐसा कर सकते हो. Let it sit for at least 30 seconds or 1 minute. And then remove the excess. Then apply your lipstick. So lipstick I am using, this is Inside cosmetic lipstick, 24 hours stay in the shade 15 Bloodlust. This is recommended by our company. First I'm going to first line it with this lipstick only. ओके मैंने यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा छोड़ दिया है. यूज़ दिस लिपस्टिक. दिस इज़ बाय स्विस ब्यूटी इन द शेड 408 ब्लड रेड. सो वो जो लिपस्टिक है वो थोड़ा डार्क शेड में और ये थोड़ा लाइट में. इट हैज़ ब्राउन अंडरटोन एंड इट हैज़ लिटिल ऑरेंज एंड ब्लू अंडरटोन. So I mix it, and yeah, this is my lip. So what I do, जैसे मेरे अगर see my eyelashes are giving right now, and अगर मुझे और इसे करना है, so what I do, I use eyelash color on top of this only. I'll show you. I mean, I have a pretty long lashes, but not that thick. So mascara बहुत help करता है. So I'm going to make my eyelashes more curled up with eyelash color. So you have to be very careful doing it. Just one. Okay. And on the other eyelid. Okay. See. You see? I mean, it makes your lashes go up. Okay, so now I am going to do my hair. My makeup is done. This is how I do it. I'm going to do my hair now. Okay, so let's just do my hair. And I'm getting late basically. I am first going to part this hair like so. It's very easy. It hardly takes me 5 to 6 minutes to make it. And then I'm going to apply water. So आज मैंने अपना जेल नहीं लेके आया है, Eco Styler. I use Eco Styler. I'm going to put it somewhere here. But I have this wax stick. I got it from Amazon. So products I am using in this video, I'm going to link it down for you guys. I'm going to apply it like so. Okay. Now I am going to make a low pony. Now I'm going to take this brush. This brush is called, I don't know, this brush. This is also, I got it from Amazon. This basically tame down all of the flyaways. And now I'm going to make a pony. See, my pony is done. I'm going to take a donut bun, put it back. I'm going to take a smaller hairband. I'm going to put it like so, and then I am going to do this. I'm getting late, that's the reason. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to take rest of the hair, उसको पूरा घुमा लूँगी, and then I'm going to take some U-pins. This. Put it here. Put it here. I normally use only 3 U-pins. Here. And then I'm going to take my net, hair net, and then apply it so. Done. Now this hairstyle is recommended by our company, so I'm going to use this extension. It's a braid extension. And then I'm going to take this clips, secure it. So this is my hairstyle. This hairstyle is done. Done. Now I am going to wear my watch, my earrings, a scarf, and one more thing, there's a bow. I'm going to apply it over here. Name badge and my Cynical badge, lanyard, and very important, my hat. This is how I get ready for my flight. This is how I do my makeup. Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like it. Hope you like the video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like this video, share it with your friends and tell them to subscribe it too, because I really need your support. Thank you so much guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. I am getting late, so bye bye. See you on board.